2014 Dodge Challenger V6. We had Dynamax bullets on it before. We took them off. They're just a little bit too loud, too aggressive for them. It's still got stock converters, factory X pipe, and we went and put a FLOWMASTER Super 10s in their place. Right there and right there. And then we did a muffler delete earlier in the year. There and there. And some quad tips there and there. So there's the FLOWMASTER Super 10s. That's how you guys want to put them. You always want to put them in the middle. They just sound a little bit better. How the air passes through them from the X pipe to them gives them a really nice growl. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead. There's the sound decibels. Go ahead. 103. Which one do you like better? These? Really? So you'll take these over the FX all day? You'll take them over the FX all day?
You know, and I like the FX.
Yeah.
No, better than the Dynamax, yeah.
Yeah, the Dynamax. Oh yeah, the Dynamax, I mean. I don't know why I said FX. I was thinking about that. It tamed it down a lot. Yeah. It needed those baffles. Let you guys hear on the inside.